Good morning students. Ikra English High School, Un Surat. I am Johnson. Standard 10th. Date 6th July. Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 15. Lesson name Probability. Video first part. Okay, book index 15th lesson. Today we are going to see now. First definition. Probability definition. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with calculating the chance of occurrence of an event. It is a branch of mathematics first concept, and calculating means finding the chance of occurrence of event. Again, it is calculating finding chance of event. Next, probability formula. To explain the formula, we have taken one small example. Probability formula is what? Probability is equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. In numerator, we need to write favorable outcomes. In denominator, total outcomes. Just see, one bag is there. In bags, balls are there. Red ball and blue balls. We need to find the possibility of red balls. So how many red balls are there? There are 7 balls. So 7 is written in numerator, and total balls, that is 12. Total ball means red ball plus blue ball. Okay. So 7 by 12. 7 by 12 is indicate what? If you take 12 times from balls from the bag, you will get 7 times of red balls, and remaining 5 times you will get blue balls. So it is showing the possibility of red balls. Next, the probability of an impossible event, that is 0. We will see by one example. If you take a dice, sorry for that. If you take a dice, in dice you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you ask anyone to find out the chance of 7, it is impossible because 7 is not there. So it is impossible event. Okay. Next, it will not take the place. It means that. Now possible event. The probability of a possible event is 1, always 1. Okay. Possible event means it will take 100%. Impossible event means it will not take 100%. For that we have taken one example. A box is there. In box, one yellow ball is there. So here total ball is 1 and yellow ball is also 1. Just we put it in the formulas. So 1 by 1 it will give 1. So if you take that balls from the bag one time or 1000 times, whatever times, you will get only yellow balls. So possibility of yellow ball is 100 times accurate. One more examples. Okay. Okay, here one box is there. In this box 3 balls are there. One is red, blue and yellow. So here total ball is 3, and we need to find the possibility of yellow ball, that is 1. Okay, so finally we are putting that in formula. Yellow ball, we want to find that possibility of yellow balls. So finally we got that answer 1 by 3. 1 by 3 indicate what? 1 by 3 indicating that if you take 3 times ball from the box, you will get 1 time yellow ball, remaining 2 times other balls. So the possibility of yellow ball is 1 by 3. So if you divide these values, you will get 0.33. Here 0.33 is greater than 0 and less than 1. Keep it in mind. Okay, next. From the examples we learned that what we learn in first slide means sixth one. In sixth slide we learned that probability is equal to 0, that one impossible event. And seventh slide we learned that probability equal to 1. It will take 100%, it will not take 100%. Okay, impossible event, possible event. Now next, and previous slide we, that is which one, eighth one, that you saw that value is 0.33. that is, it means that it is the value, that value is greater than 0 and less than 1, that one. Okay, now next, the combining these three, the combining 1 2 3, this combination is this one, final result. So probability of any event, it is equal to or greater than 0 and equal to or less than 1. I will again tell you, probability of any event greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1. Now next, so it is a summary, just we learn that formula. Okay, probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, and sure event, possible event, that is 1, impossible event 0, and probability formula, values always lies between 0 and 1. In some time it is equal to 0 and sometime it is equal to 1 also. Okay students, next, thank you students.